So it is concrete. They are not making a noise otherwise. No. What they were doing, they built a wall. Maybe a meter, and from here they wanted to go maybe a meter. Yeah, meter over here. It's almost a meter.
Almost a meter. Out of the 7 points of the commission, they have violated 3 to 4 of them. The subject to compliance of the 7 points.
My question also is very clear, sir, that at the time when on the 28th this thing was done, whoever came here to check out, they have given a report stating that everything is done in accordance with the terms and conditions and they can carry it. This is the report you all have. As per 25. Now I want to ask whoever that is this done as per the report which you all have. Are you confirming that this is correct? That's all I'm asking. If there was a wall existing, please, as per the permission, go ahead and do the repair. We are not going to say it, but this is
Demolished and it's like demolishing a building when you are saying you're repairing.
They say that.
They are not demolishing a building.
There was none. Once you demolish in CRZ, after that you cannot build. You cannot take permission to build it. There was none. You repair only. This is what our contention is. We need the other side also to be. You know why? Because and with all credit to the Panchayat, they have not issued them an NOC or they have not issued
In 3.5 years.
They have not, because possibly they know that this is not right.
Possibly they have not approached them.
They have not, and they have not even approached them.
They have not approached them.
They have only given them a letter now on the 20th that this work is being done.
So after we send them out.
And after they sent. So the Panchayat has done their duty and their due diligence on this issue. So I am giving them credit for not issuing them. Definitely.
Can I show you the report that they submitted something from? It is with
Yeah.
They submitted some
Without both complainants being present. And no complainant was present.
The report in some in substance what the report says that this construction was done in accordance with the permission given on 25/7/2017. And as per that everything is okay, their permit is issued. As simple as that. But I want them to come, I want them to get the permission. Because since your surveyor has said, that as per that permission, they have done this work.
No, I've got the.
They are not coming.
I called up the number which is on the letterhead and I was connected to the operator. And I waited. I mean, they said that they would send somebody.
No, I think some.
letter they are not called.
Yes, of course.
You have issued them a letter. If you have issued them a letter, then
Even an email.
write that they are absent.
But better to wait.
But again, simply the same problem will take place.
Same
Then
That
they
we
will
were not
say that they
present
were
last
not
time, so
present.
again they say we were not present. So that is not happening.
Call us only for we'll end up expecting.
Our access is being done, so therefore it will not be done. They will ask for another inspection.
That is not what condition. Better we sort this out,
No, they have to come with that from their permission.
Yeah, hello. Yes.
Some look further.
Yes. Yes.
We will have to say call from you on so and so number, attempt to make to contact so and so person, and despite the fact that none of them are right, so and so from them, from NMOS side, all these have to be written.
With regard to that,
I'm coming to that. Actually, the road is there only. They say that there was a move, sorry, original and all, there was a There was nothing according to that. We used to come, we never saw all these. I know what is happening.
Email was there on the one that we got.
No, first CC was there.
They just check the CC. No, I'm saying, since he has got an email, who's GAWTAMK Kurtikar? Who's Kurtikar?
He is our buddy.
That is us.
He is our buddy.
So only two then. They've sent to me and to him.
Gautam Kurtikar is
Yeah,
he's
Banu.
That his mail he had.
So just two people have been sent this mail by our office. Just speak to Johnson. So please check with Mr. Johnson because immediately the mail was sent to him. Yeah. So please come there 2 minutes to show you that overhang and what they've done there.
ये भी आप यहाँ में ये तो रावला प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी म्हणतात
No.
they are saying he private property
It is not private special. You only can come.
but they are not allowing over here na
That means we have trespass now, right now, you know that? They can file a complaint against us.
पाल्याचं मेहता आहे तिथले तरी
And for trespass, there is no remedy, only punishment.
आम्ही 1500 तर भुरगे आमचे लोकल गरोंक वयता 20 जण चोटा तेव्हा म्हणून उदक स्पीड येता फोन काय तितली असता हांगासर
बुडूंक शकता
तेच.
तशें पळोवंक गेल्यार पयलो तूं व्हरता तेन्ना तूं तो पयलो This way, no?
They have broke the whole thing. They have built out here with concrete. They have done a patchwork here showing that it is rubble down here. They have done a patchwork and they have extended with steel and comfort, not with steel. These are steel. are not given permission. If it is going to be temporary, tell them that during the monsoon, then dismantle it. But this is what they do. At that side, they have taken out more than
RCC is plan, 2 meters, your authority has rejected.
Yeah, they have rejected. See what they have done now. And this wall was there. It was not there. This came up with- So these are the violations. Completely illegal. We are not here to create a problem. We are here to save the environment for the public in general. That is what we are here. We live here 25 years. We use this beach. We swim here in this.
Even the high tide line, you said 0 to 100 meters is clearly visible. Now only you can see up to where the water comes up, and the wall is no more than 5 meters away.
Even that boat club is illegal. That was a small strip. They have built it. And when the local boys even pass by, when the tide is full, they shout at them. The security don't allow them to pass.
They are private.
Property, private
That is
land
our
they are
private
saying.
Anyway, they're doing water sports. We said, never mind, it's beneficial for some of our people also. So we didn't make any issue. But then all this which they are doing, tomorrow they'll do this wall and then they'll put a fence here and say this belongs to us and they will donate
They
the
will not allow us to go from here.
And during the monsoon, the water comes all the way up.
And this wall is no damage. For donkeys years this wall is. They are saying that they are not sure about it.
Even in the plan to WRD, they have mentioned they are not
They will check and
cement
settle.
foundation.
That is what they'll say, sir. But if you have to, you can give an ex-party order. You have called them 10 times over.
No. If they say they have not received the notice, that means it is not proper.
Legally,
It is not proper. They will take the defense. Everything will go.
In the meantime, a stop order should be issued. no? What
Stop
they are
order
saying.
can be issued.
stop order issue, stop order.
Stop order should have been issued, right?
From GCZME as well as the Panchayat, both. If the GCZME issues the Panchayat, I'm sure will issue because they have not given the NOC in the first place.
That stop work order can be issued. As is where is basis until the inspection is done or until proper precautions of law is taken. Stop it.
ये तो
I'll take every point of the commission point by point.
Report.
This is the report.
Report आरपीने म्हणला ते पहिले त्याने.
Yeah, down here.
Yeah, he is making a reference to one permission.
Yeah.
This is the permission that he is making a reference to. Okay? 25/7/2017. This is the permission. I am telling you hello.
Yeah, I got the permission.
What they are doing here. They are not going to discuss. You know why? This permission was given to something on that line. Never
that is
extending
the
to the beach.
retaining wall, this is the linear wall.
Never extending to the beach.
Here is your
No,
permission,
no,
sir, of 2017.
Yes, I'll suggest let me just I'll just show you something which is material. Where you can outrightly stop them, even without notice also. Even without notice to them, it can be stopped. No, see. No, that's not that.
I can take every point of the permission.
Those violations are there.
Every violation.
No, so take a minute to calling.
One is you have to inform the local authority first, which we did not do so. Okay? Then they ask for the RCC, which you all have categorically said no. For that.
In the subject line, they refer to the Gadga wall.
Yes.
Gadga wall, I would presume,
Yes,
would be
it
the
Correct.
Yes,
That is the Karwa. Absolutely. So, this approval was subject to and the provision of CRZ notification 211 or any kind of amendments thereof. Okay. No construction shall be carried out in the area between 0 to 100 meters.
STL.
That is what. NOC approval is issued without prejudice if you court cases or you own this and that and the other. But it is required under law, including from the local authorities to take from which is the Panchayat, Town and Country Planning Department, Revenue Authority, etc., which they have taken from nobody. Nobody they have taken from. Traditional access and easement should not be blocked. Applicant occupiers should ensure that waste is not discharged. From that pump, they are discharging all the water in the sea. this permission should be valid for a period of 5 years. Now that is what I want to say.
That water discharges from the during the construction activity.
When they are doing this activity,
Which one?
this activity, on the water, they kept that for that. And when they were doing it here, they were discharging in the sea. So that is what it is, and this permission liable to be revoked if found at any stage that the applicant contains false information, wrong plans, calculation, documents, misleading information, all these things. Now it is to PA Secretary Environment, Chief Town Planner, Chief Engineer, Deputy Collector, Secretary. Everybody is mentioned.
For information it is, for panchayat.
That's okay. To me, I'm not disputing. But it says here that for any other authority are required under the law, including from the local authority. Who is the local authority? The panchayat. Nobody else here is local authority. But, like I say, I give all credit for not giving the NOC or not giving the permission. Because this is wrong what they have done.
One more thing. Insofar as this commission is concerned, that commission was for the Dargah wall and the protruding whatever that they've done. Because it clearly says in Para 1, as far as the proposed projecting RCC system is concerned, the authority decided to reject the RCC as it was overhang for a distance of 2 meters.
That is
beyond
that.
the retaining wall. Now,
Same point taken.
same copy it is.
Yes,
Same
yes.
copy it is. If you are saying that there will be a project, a balcony kind of thing here, that means cantilever, whatever that is. That means are you going to build it here? No, you're not doing it. This is just supposed to be at ground level. That means they're flashing this permission to do this construction.
So the other thing you wanted to know.
In fact, this
As seen in the scheme of drawing, we have completed phase 2 and part of phase 1 during the year 2018-19 which we are talking about. When did you all give them the permission? 17. They did not do anything. They are saying here that they completed in 2018-19. That is because of whatever it is.
This is sent to the panchayat.
This is not. This is sent to the panchayat.
After we send them a notice. After our complaint, the panchayat has addressed the matter and sent them.
And they are saying everywhere it's repairs. But they demolished and they are building it.
It is reconstruction. So no permission is transferable. That's a written law. So therefore that is for that Dargah wall. Maybe some illegalities are there also, but this absolutely they cannot do.
Come and see that, sir. I'll explain to you what has
they
happened.
cannot
Then only you will have.
They cannot do.
Please come.
Metal and composite material.
There also there is concrete. There also there is concrete. So full concrete. The wall was not. You can very
The
clearly
original
see
wall
where it
has
is
been
built.
there for decades.
And there were the steps coming down there. There are even 2 steps. And this lower portion they have put
Only the
to
middle
just show.
portion to show.
This is what I mean.
Your authority has rejected the RCC slab on this 2 meter. And you are told use eco-friendly. Metal with composite material. There is no wood.
So therefore now that permission we are speaking here. They are not supposed to go on the beach.
Even that lower section is a full concrete down.
Here at least they can claim repair. Over here there is no
No,
claim of
what
repair.
I'm saying is permission was for this.
Correct.
Absolutely. Permission was not for that. So they're flashing this permission
Linear wall.
there.
There's no linear wall on
There's no linear wall there. Everything was ground level. There was no linear wall there. And now there is another point. That's why I want them to come with the document. One more point. Yeah, let them come any point of time. Then give them 2 points here, 1 and 2. Then entirely false.
7 points have been used by DCS, 4 points have been violated.
Violate.
Rule number
Over.
2.
That is the end of
The permission rule, that clause number 2 says 0 to 1.
Just there, gap there.
Of course it is. Of course it is.
also know what is 2000 local to do the piling, they need to use water. Where is the water going out?
Panchayat can do. Panchayat in the country. What is the?
Side over there.
Panchayat should get in touch with them. Mera tanka, was it hands up? Hands up, hand delivered. So they should come for panchayat inspection. They cannot. Other one they are saying they are pleading ignorance there. That is fine, but they should come for this inspection. It is delivered to them. What is Nazir on Gingala? Okay, Mithale, they should come for this inspection now. So let the panchayat get in touch with them. Let the panchayat get in touch. You see, how they can do it this way?
starting complaint in the I fear that I can afford it.
Oh, this is not today.
No,
Oh.
What about the other one?
No, but Manu, he complained.
You urgently called. You आज urgently केला
कोणा?
एका member secretary.
आपण एका दिवना माहिती
देखो forward हे केली रे WhatsApp केली
कोणा?
इनकम
नो पंचायत सिद्धार्थ को देऊ ना
ना दिसता म्हाका दिवंक नासता
बट ही कितें हें काडलेलें लेटर म्हाका एक कळलेलें कलेक्ट सुद्दां कळलेलें
काल तेका इवनिंग व्हरून आमी सब केलें हेंका
मेंबर सेक्रेटरी ओके फायन
हेंका कितें केलें न्हू हेंका आमी म्हाका दिसता WhatsApp केलें
आमकां
एका दिवू ना
आमकां घरा येवन
दिलें जाल्यार नको
कशें जातलें तर तें दे हैव टू बी सर्व्ड प्रॉपर्ली
बट दिस इज फॉर CRZ inspector
No, but parties have to be present. Both parties have to be present.
आणि CRZ तेंका काडलेली हा म्हणटा
You should have served first on them.
Yes.
No, but
Parties have to be served
Because
first.
see, they will say that we are the agreed party, correct? They have to be, otherwise whatever the order you are must be issued at once.
Void. Yes, absolutely void. Yes. Because
Because you know that.
it was
You
not
just go
heard.
and push it and then you know what it is.
Yes. इतल्या सगळ्या पोरांचं सगळ्या थंय वयर वचून जाल्यार पडटलें.
This is should not keep such things such lacunas.
बट ते कितें इवनिंग सेशनाक कितें 6
See, this is a private one. This is a private. Correct. You can serve you any time. Either bar, it is government office. Then you don't need a rescue. This is private. You can serve any time. 24 hours it is open.
काढून घातले ते. काढून घालून तुम्ही actually hand deliver केलं.
पूण सांजची आमकां दोगांकूय कॉपी पावली
तेन्नाच
बट तिका हांगा दिवपाक जाय
तेंका घेवन गेलो रे तो दिला काय ना
नजराकडे
नाजीर दुसरो
फ्रान्सिसान दिल्या
फ्रांसिसान
विचारता मातशें तेका बिकॉज सिन्स वी काम सगळे आयले आनी आतां आतांच जावन
फ्रांसिसाक विचारपा फोन मारून
आनीक ट्रबल न्ही विचारता
फ्रांसिसाक फोन मारून विचार न्ही
सिडनी
फ्रांसिसाक फोन मारपाक लायले